Most reps either skip research or waste 20 minutes and still write a generic message. Here is the faster ChatGPT workflow. Find one real business angle before outreach. Bad personalization sounds like this. I saw your company is doing great things. That is not research. That is filler. It fails because the buyer cannot tell if you understand their role, their trigger, or their business problem. Give ChatGPT 4 inputs: company, buyer role, business trigger, and what you sell. Example: company is hiring SDRs. Buyer is VP of sales. Trigger is expansion. Offer helps reps ramp faster. Use this prompt. Based on this company, buyer role, trigger, and offer. Give me 3 likely priorities, 3 possible pain points, and 3 outreach angles. Do not make up facts. ChatGPT may give you angles like ramp time, manager bandwidth, and inconsistent messaging. Do not use everything. Pick the angle that feels most true and most connected to what you sell. Better angle: saw you are hiring SDRs. When teams grow fast, where ramp time and message consistency can get messy. Is that something your team is already working on? Before sending, ask 3 questions. Is it true? Is it relevant? And would this buyer care? The workflow is company, role, trigger, offer, then 1 clean outreach angle. If you want the research prompts written out, grab my free guide, 25 AI prompts every sales rep should steal.